Right. So for question 9, sorry, C part 2. We've already done these ones already. C part 2. Charlie, what do you get for C part 2? 9 times 9 times minus 20? Minus 180, okay. Now the hard part is choosing what number you want. You could try, what's it, 10 and 18? But that's no good, is it? The difference would be 8. Try something bigger than 10. Try 15. And it turns out to be 15 ants, which is exactly the difference we're looking for. It's going to be 9x squared plus 15x minus 12x minus 20. Then what do you do, Charlie?
Take it 3x.
Into?
3x.
Yeah. And the cheat is that the two brackets are always the same, aren't they? Now what you get then? And? Yeah. Some of you might have a different method. Your method is shorter by writing, but requires a lot more thinking. Okay? So it's up to you what you want to use. Then you have 3x equals 4, 3x equals minus 5. Remember you do this thing here where you put them equal to 0. You transfer over the 5 and transfer over the 4. Divide by 3. Do you get x equals 4 over 3 and x equals minus 5 over 3? Go with that? Alright. Tom, will you take the next one for me? The yellow one? Yep. So what's 8 times minus 15?
8x.
Yeah, but before that. What did you multiply 8 by? Minus 8 by minus 15 get you? Get you 120. Alright, list the factors. 3 and 40 would be no good. Anything else? 2 and 60, no good, because the gap is 37 and the gap is 40. Pick a bigger number. Go bigger again. You've already tried 2 and 3. 6 and 20, once again. 14, just that little bit too big. Go bigger than 6. You could go 8 and 15. That 12 and 10, yeah. Good man. Now. Alright, Kaminsky, what do you do next? 8x squared, yeah. Yeah. Yep. What you do then? Into? Yeah. Into? And your answer? Yeah. Yeah. And then after that? Minus 5 over 4. Awesome. Weave in. Finish this part for me. Yeah. And deal. Very cool with that. Alrighty. Matthew. The blue one in the corner there. Yeah, it's not a normal quadratic, is it? Charlie. I did do this one. No need. Charlie.
Take out the x.
Take out the x, and what gets left over?
5x minus 8. Do x equals 0.
X equals 0 or?
5x equals 8.
5x minus 8 equals 0 or 5x equals 8, like you told me. and x equals 8 over 5. Okay. Tricky though. Haven't done one in a while. Quite tricky, okay? Mr. Hemrock, question D, x squared minus 9.
X minus 1. If I remember the x minus 3.
You do the difference of two squares,
Yes, sorry.
and what you get?
X minus 3.
Yeah, I always do the plus first. But yeah, no, you're right though.
0.
X plus 3 equals 0, and
1 3 0.
then what are your two answers?
And 3.
Yep, easy peasy. Go with that. Alright, let's go again. We got more of them. So, for this one here, I'm highlighting in blue. Just multiply both sides by minus 1, and then do it like you would normally. Oh dear, that's tough. See if any of you know what to do there. It's gonna be interesting. I'll tell you what. I'll do two of them for you, and then I'll give you a go at two of them, okay? So, here's what we do. And this one here, you multiply both sides by minus, what happens? Minus 10, minus 1x plus equals 0. Then what did I write down? 3x squared minus 1x minus 10. Tom, what's the magic number? 3 times minus 10? Two numbers that multiply to give me minus 30 but have a difference of 1. Yeah. 3x squared minus 6x plus 5x minus 10 equals 0. Now what? And you get left with? X minus 2, I'm afraid. Plus 5, yeah. And what you get now? Good job. How'd you finish it? Yeah. 3x equals minus 5, then x equals? The other one? Yeah. Alright. I did one. You do one. You do part 3 here. Well, now, what we're going to do here, guys, is multiply both sides by minus 1, and we get minus 12 plus 6x plus 6x squared. And we get 6x squared plus 6x minus 12 equals 0. You can make this really easy on yourself by dividing by 6. How many of you saw that? Did any of you turn it into this? Like that as a no? You all did it the difficult way, did you? Yay. I have to do it the difficult way now, don't I? If I taught you better, I wouldn't have to do it the difficult way. Alright, that's what I would have liked to have done. But no, I gotta do it the hard way. So, here's what we're gonna do. 6 times minus 12, minus 72. Two factors that have multiplied to give me minus 72, but have a difference of 6. Yeah. Minus 6 and plus 12. Alright, grand. 6x squared minus 6x plus 12x. Look at the trek it is compared to what I did earlier. 6x into x minus 1 plus 12 into x minus 1 equals 0. 6x plus 12 into x minus 1. Oh, God. So the under this question, x equals 1. 6x equals minus 12. X equals 2. Happy days? Minus 2. Thank you. Hooray. Now, oh, God. Now, look at the next one. This one here. I'll write it on the board first. Any ideas how to do this one? No, believe it or not. Do not multiply that out. Right. Back in the day, do you know when we do a normal quadratic, if I have a blank by blank equals 0, if I have Kenny, Comiskey, let's call him Commy, alright? Actually, wait, now that means something. Comiskey. Alright. Now, lads, if Kenny multiplied by Comiskey is 0, what does that mean about either Kenny or Comiskey? One of them's 0. That's why we blame the first one or blame the second one. Do you remember that? Now, here's what I suggest you do. This one's Kenny, this one's Comiskey. So what happens when you blame Kenny? X minus 3 equals 0, x equals 3. Go with that? 4x squared minus 4 equals 0. Anything we can take out? 4 into x squared minus 1. Any idea what you can do here? Difference of 2 squares. Now who can we blame? The x plus 1 and d. So what do you get? X plus 1 equals 0, x equals 1. Or x minus 1 equals 0, x equals. Go with that? Alright, you guys are going to try the 2 green ones. Enjoy. Now. Alrighty. So we're going to do G part 1. What do we get? Blame the first one, you get x squared minus 4 equals 0. Blame the second one, you get 3x plus 4 equals 0. Then what? X plus 2 and? So x equals 2 and x equals minus 2. Next one. 3x equals minus 4 and x equals minus 4 over 3. We all good? Right. Cleveland, what do you think about the other one? Highlighting in red now. What do you think of this one?
2x equals 8.
2x plus 8 equals 0. 2x equals?
Minus
X equals?
8. Minus 8.
Which is minus 4. From that. What about the second part?
Quadratic.
2 numbers that multiply to give you minus 15 but add to give you minus 2.
5 and 3.
Minus 5 and plus.
3.
Then.
X equals 1. X equals minus 2.
Alright.